Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the perfect quiche. First, let's prepare the foundation, your crust. Use a pre-made or homemade 9-inch pie crust, ensuring it's well chilled. Blind bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial for a crisp bottom, preventing a soggy quiche. Remember to prick the bottom with a fork a few times before baking to release steam. Now let's create that delicious, creamy filling. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream until just combined. Season this mixture with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a generous pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Then, stir in 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or cheddar, and any pre-cooked fillings such as sautéed vegetables or bacon. With your filling ready, carefully pour it into the warm, blind-baked pie crust. Place the quiche on a baking sheet for easier handling and to catch any potential spills. Bake it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. The quiche is perfectly cooked when the edges are golden brown and the center is mostly set with a slight jiggle. Once baked, resist the urge to cut into your quiche immediately. It's vital to let it cool on a wire rack for at least 15 to 20 minutes. This resting period allows the custard to fully set, ensuring beautiful, clean slices. Quiche is wonderfully versatile. It can be enjoyed warm at room temperature or even chilled. Serve it as a delightful breakfast, brunch, or light dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.